This is your 4 H agent, Crystal Starks, and I'm excited to share with you all about the No Sew Pillow on today's episode. Now, we're going to begin with just a space that we can re-up and change it up to make it look a little bit more festive, and using our new No Sew Pillow as our inspiration for our new space. And we started this whole idea with an old decorative pillow. That's right, an old decorative pillow to create, ta-da, our new no-sew pillow. Our materials are an old decorative pillow, half a yard of fleece, at least 2 pieces, scissors, and a ruler. To begin, we're going to cut around 4-inch outside of each side of our pillow. Again, if it's a 10 by 10 pillow, you will have 14 inches away around. Then we're going to cut 4-inch squares at each corner. Each corner is going to have a 4-inch square. And it's going to look a little like this. Start on one side, go around to the other, then you'll have your 4 squares. Then we're going to do strips of 1.5 inches around the entire fabric. Once you're finished, we're going to start tying. We're going to tie around, leaving one side open so that we can insert our pillow into the 2 pieces of fabric. And once you are finished, you're going to tie all those up and you have your no-sew pillow. Wasn't that easy?